In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix. If you go to the Google Chrome, you can see whenever you're trying to enable use secure DNS over here, as you can see, it is actually grayed out. So if the DNS secure, the setting is disabled on your manager browser, then how we can fix it if you're facing this. So let's get started. So if you're having any kind of trouble, this is what you have to do. What you need to do is, first of all, we just need to go over here, search here for registry editor. Just wait. So you just need to click on this one. So what happens is the registry editor will open up. Just go for yes. And this is how it looks like. Now, as you can see, I'll minimize all these things. I'm sorry for that. This was recently I did. So what I need to do is, once you get into this, we have to make a few changes here. So the first one is all about, you have to go over here and turn, or you have to expand HKey current user. Then what you need to do is, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the software. Over here you have to expand this. Now from here, what you need to do is, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the policies. And right now you can see we have a Google here, so you have to select the Google. And right now, once you select the Google, and you can see if you find anything over here apart from the default, for example, you might be having a lot of files. That is the reason. So you have to select all those things and you have to delete it. You just need to keep only the default one. Rest everything over here should be deleted. Sometimes, when you're trying to follow this particular path, you'll not be able to find the Google here. If that is the case, how you can find, I'll demonstrate you that as well. So what you need to do is, instead of over here, you have to go to the HKey local machine. Now from here you have to navigate to the software, and from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the policies. Here you have to expand this, and right now you'll be having a Google here. And what you need to do is, if you expand that, you'll be having Chrome. And over here you can see if you find anything apart from the default, you have to delete it. And after deleting all these things, and if you go back, and most probably next time when you're trying to get into your Chrome, you'll be having this issue will be sorted out. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.